Hi friends, welcome to my channel Sai Fine Arts. So friends, today's in this video I am going to showcase Diya stand painting or decorative ideas using beautiful colors and decorative things. Hope you will enjoy this video, and all the brush and color details are given in the description box for your practice later. Also the same details are given in the video captions as well. So please watch this video till the end and share your opinions in the comment section, and let's begin now. Thank you. our Diya's painting is ready for our Diwali celebration. So you have seen it's very simple and easy to paint them or decorate them. And thanks for watching this video till the end, and I hope you have enjoyed this. If you really like my video, please subscribe, like, share and comment, and please don't forget to press the bell button. We'll meet you again in the next upcoming video. Till then, take care.